Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mystic Coco. I know it's been a really long time since I've posted a video or anything of the such, and I have an excuse. Number one, life. Just life, period. Number two, I'm a college student. I'm a junior. I'm about to be a senior, and I could possibly be graduating next year. And number three, I was lazy. Just plain lazy. But I'm back, and the reason why I'm back is because I got this sweet puppy right here. So, boom, boom! I have a new computer. Yeah, a new computer. Yeah. And this is like my cute little setup here. Don't mind the tissues. But yeah, I have a new computer. And, of course, that is awesome. It is a really just smooth, powerful. It's a smooth, powerful machine. I'm only working with one monitor. Before I was working with two, but I'm only working with one monitor right now. The reason why I'm only working with one monitor is because my desk can only sustain one monitor. I am hoping to upgrade soon. Well, not soon, but I'm hoping to keep building my new computer. Right now, I have a Gigabyte Gaming 7 Z97X. I have a Asus in there. I have the new Intel i7 in there. Well, no, I shouldn't say the new one. I have the generation before the new one. So it's new. It runs like a puppy. Let me tell you that. This processor, I literally can turn off my computer and it'll be bam, right on. It is great at multitasking. It has some really great, it's just a very powerful machine. The only downfall is that I was only able to get the 500 gigabytes. I wanted to get a terabyte, but all the terabytes were sold by Cyber Monday and by Black Friday, so I was not able to get a terabyte. So right now I'm just working with 500 gigabytes, which is, to be honest, not that bad. I'm hoping that by later on in the year, I'll be able to get a full-fledged terabyte to add on to my 500 gigabytes. And then I'm hoping the year after that, or sometime later on next year, I'll get another 500 gigabytes, finish up that 500 gigabytes by getting a full 1,000, or basically another terabyte. And I will officially have 2 terabytes on my computer. I do want to overclock my computer right now because it's, if I may be honest, because it's new and it's at the top of its grade, I'm not thinking of overclocking anytime soon, but it has the capability of overclocking. I have the new NZXT-H4040 case, sorry, not 4040, 440 case on, and the case is awesome. This computer is just silent. I mean, you can hear it if you really wanted to hear it, but overall, it's a very quiet computer. It does not make a lot of noise. I have this awesome Acer monitor, and the reason why this Acer monitor is so great is because it has IPS, and I've been told that IPS is great for shooting games, first-person games, as well as MMO games, because no matter what angle you look at, you're looking at what I'm looking at, basically, which means that there's no weird lighting problem going on if you go too far left or too far right. For the most part, this monitor is like the bomb. The colors is close to perfect to whatever the program it is. So like, I'm also a drawer. So if you guys know anything when it comes to drawing when it comes to digital painting, you know that your monitor has to be perfect, because even the slightest tint off from what the real color is can mess up your drawing. This monitor stays true to the colors in the story. There is no mistake. This monitor was relatively cheap. It didn't cost me a lot of money, and mostly because it was Black Friday. I forgot what size it is. I think it's 22 inches, which is well more than enough than what I need. I've been using like 16 inches, 14 inches before, so 22 is a-okay in my pocket. The only thing that I'm thinking of getting in the future, obviously, will be a headset, so that when I play games, I could go ahead and record my voice, because obviously my desktop does not have a automatic recorder, because it's not like it's not a laptop. So yeah, I'm thinking of getting a headset for my gaming, and I'm also thinking of getting a webcam. And the reason why I'm thinking of getting a webcam is so that I can put a webcam right over the screen and I can record my face while I'm recording. But in the meantime, I'll just be using this camera right here when it comes to gaming and when it comes to my voice. And I'll try to speak as loud as I can so that you guys can hear me. But overall, my life has been great. The total purchase of all of this stuff together came out to be $2,500. And to be honest, that was pretty cheap because most of the things that I brought were on sale, and and if they wasn't on sale, there was a generation before, still relatively new, but still, you know, but in a nice price range. The only thing that was excessively expensive was just the Intel i7, obviously because it's new, as well as the motherboard because it's a gaming motherboard. Other than that, everything else was just fantastic. I am so happy with my purchase. I cannot wait to show you how this puppy runs games. I mean, you have to understand, I have been playing League of Legends on a computer. And before I had a mouse, I had to use that little mouse pad that was on there. No more. You're going to see me play League of Legends like never before. Gaming on this computer is wonderful. It has slightly improved my skills. And when I mean slightly, I mean I'm not dealing with lag anymore. So before, when I used to die because the game was lagging or some other stupid situation, this computer is so on top of its game. I am slightly improved just because, like, no lag. I am so totally looking forward to posting more videos, and I'm going to have some time to post videos, mainly because finals is coming up. I'm going to be finishing up finals. I only have 4 classes that I really need to focus on for finals. So I'm going to be finishing up with my finals, and then I'm on break, guys. That's right, I'm on break. Next semester, I have so few little classes, I don't even need to worry about it. So I am really, really looking forward to making some more videos about just life overall. For you guys, for my natural hair stylist people who watches my videos for my natural hair, this is a crochet braiding. It used to be curly and cute and just gorgeous. It's not gorgeous no more. It got tangled. It was super detangled, and it was so hard to keep it. So I recently just detangled my hair, and in order to detangle my hair, I just did what everybody else did. I put together some concoction of oil, conditioner, and water, spritzed the hair, and brushed it. Now, if you're wondering what I have in here, I'm not going to tell you what's in here unless you really ask me what's inside the spray bottle. But this thing gave like this hair back its shine. Like if I showed you what it used to look like before, it was really dull. There was no shine, no luster to it at all. It was just a tingly, it just looked like a rat's nest. Okay, so yeah, but this is my crochet braiding. I know it's a lot of hair, but I like big hair, so when it had like the curls in it, it was looking fine. Okay, alright, and who's calling me now? CVS Pharmacy. They could call back later. Anyway, what was I going to say? So yeah, this is a video just telling you guys that I am back and I am ready to make more videos. So be on the lookout for me. I will surely make more. And you know what? This is a bad ending. I'll just see you guys in the next video. What about that? Bye bye, sweets.
Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, or at least found it funny. If you like more videos like this, comment, share, or subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!